Hello, my name is Joel Clemons, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure some server settings inside of Server Core. Right now we're in the full GUI, so we're going to have to downgrade to just Server Core. So we're going to hit Manage, Remove Roles and Features, Next, and make sure your server is selected here, so Server A. And we're not going to remove a role, we want to remove features. So we're going to scroll down in Features until we get to User Interfaces and Infrastructure. We're going to unselect both of these. Next, and we want the computer to restart because that's how these changes are going to take effect. So we're going to hit next, we're going to collect that, and then we'll hit remove. Okay, so I skipped through that. That is going to take a while when you do that. So we're going to log back in. Alright, so you can see we are now on just the server core. So we want to make some configurations, so we're going to type sconfig. And now we got this big list of configurations we can make, and we're going to start off by changing the time zone. Yeah. So we'll just type the number 9. So I'm going to change the time zone here. We are on, or I am on, Eastern time, right there. Okay. And 7:58's right. Okay. And okay, now we'll do we're going to do our network settings, so we're going to change our IP address. The only thing we can change is number 10 here. So we're going to set our network adapter address. So we'll type 1. This is asking whether we want a static or a DHCP. We want a static address. Okay, and ours is going to be 10.1.1.11, and our subnet mask 255.255.0. Since we don't have a router to move packets outside the network, so there's really no point for a default gateway. So we're just going to hit enter on that. Okay, now we're going to set our DNS servers. So we're going to type 2. We're going to do 10.1.1.1. Yep. We don't have an alternate, so we're just going to hit enter on that. Now we're going to return to the main menu. And we're going to configure the remote desktop. So that's number 7. And we're going to type E for enable. And this is asking whether we want to set it up so only people with network level authentication can access it, which is more secure, so of course we want to do that. Alright. Now we're going to exit from this. I'm going to type number 15. And now we're going to go into PowerShell. Alright, we're going to set the domain name for the computer. So to do that, I'm going to type add computer domain name class 2020.com. So add computer domain name class 2020.com. And now it's asking for a username, so add administrator and password. I think I typed that right. Password DC. Alright, so now we want to go back to the full GUI. So to do that, we're going to type install Windows feature server server GUI shell comma server GUI MGMT infra. So let me just make sure we got that right here. Install Windows feature server GUI shell, server GUI mgmt infra. It's a very lengthy command, and yep, if it says collecting data there, it definitely worked. Okay, so we're done installing that. So now we need to restart the computer. Restart computer. Okay, so our computer has been restarted, and we're gonna go ahead and sign in. All right, and now we're gonna go into PowerShell, and we're gonna just check if everything we did worked. So we're gonna do some pings. So first we're gonna ping. First we'll ping our domain name. .com, and that's supposed to be a capital C. Yeah. So that we got that. And now we're going to ping server, the DNS server. So ping server DC. Yep. All right. And then we're going to ping 10.1.1.1. And there we go. So everything is in working order. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.